when you have an idea or when you have a project to do, that's your dream, that's your passion, then you should take action on it. You should not make an excuse list. You should not make a complaint list. You should make a to-do list. Make a to-do list right now, today. You on your dreams, make a to-do list. What to do? What action that you can take right away, right at this moment, and also the items in your to-do list. Pick and stick that to your schedule. Then only you will do it. If something is in your schedule, you will definitely do it. Be a rock star.